If you've been online lately, you've probably seen people making ridiculous money from meme coins, those crazy, joke-based cryptocurrencies that somehow turn into gold mines overnight. From Dogecoin to Pepe and even newer ones that pop up every week, it seems like everyone's either getting rich or getting scammed. So today, let's talk about how you can actually profit from meme coins without falling into the traps that wipe out most investors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot real opportunities, avoid scams, and play the meme coin game smartly, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's dive in. First off, let's get one thing straight. Meme coins are not like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They don't usually have strong fundamentals, innovative technology, or long-term utility. They run on hype, community momentum, and pure internet culture. That means you can't treat them like traditional investments. They're more like speculative bets, almost like riding a wave. The trick is learning how to spot a wave that's about to rise and jumping off before it crashes. Most people fail because they do the exact opposite. They buy at the top when everyone's talking about it, and they hold too long thinking it'll go to the moon. Let's change that mindset right now. To profit from meme coins, you need 3 key things: timing, research, and emotional control. Timing is everything. The biggest profits happen early, often within hours or days of a coin launching. But how do you even find new meme coins early? Well, there are several strategies. You can monitor platforms like DEX Tools, Dex Screener, or Twitter's crypto community to spot trending tokens as they appear. Many traders also join Telegram groups or Discord servers where new launches are shared instantly. However, being early means nothing if you can't tell whether a project is legit or a scam. That's where research comes in. Before you invest a single dollar, take a few minutes to analyze the coin's contract and social media presence. Visit sites like Token Sniffer or Rugdoc to scan the contract. If the ownership isn't renounced, if there's a high buy-sell tax, or if there's a honeypot warning, meaning you can buy but not sell, then it's a huge red flag. Also, check the liquidity. A real project locks its liquidity on a platform like Unicrypt or Team Finance, which prevents developers from pulling out all the funds, a common scam known as a rug pull. No liquidity lock, move on immediately. Now let's talk about the social side, because with meme coins, hype equals value. Go on Twitter or X and see how active the community is. Are there real people talking about the coin, or is it just bots spamming the same hashtags? Check the engagement rate, not just followers. A project with 100,000 followers but barely any likes or comments is probably fake. Real hype looks chaotic. People making memes, posting screenshots, arguing, celebrating small wins. That's what real momentum looks like. Once you've found a coin that passes the basic safety checks and has real buzz, the next question is when to buy and when to sell. Here's the golden rule: never FOMO, in meaning don't buy just because you're afraid of missing out. Wait for a small dip after the initial launch hype. Prices often shoot up fast, then drop 20–40% as early buyers take profits. That's usually a good entry zone if the project still has energy and engagement online. But once you're in, you also need an exit plan. Most people lose money not because they chose bad coins, but because they got greedy. Don't try to time the absolute top. Set profit targets before you even buy, for example. Take out your initial investment when you double your money, then let the rest ride. That way, no matter what happens, you've secured your capital and are playing with profits. This strategy, called free rolling, protects you from big losses when the inevitable dump happens. Speaking of dumps, let's talk about the psychology behind meme coins. These coins thrive on emotions, excitement, greed, fear, hype. The moment people start saying it's going to $1, it's often already too late. Smart traders don't chase trends, they anticipate them. They get in when no one's talking about the coin yet, when the market cap is small, maybe under $1 million, and they get out once the influencers start tweeting about it. If you ever see celebrities or big YouTubers suddenly promoting a meme coin, that's usually your signal to sell, not buy. Because by that point, insiders are dumping their bags on the new crowd. Another key factor is the blockchain itself. Meme coins on Ethereum can have high gas fees, so smaller traders sometimes prefer Solana, Base, or Binance Smart Chain, where transactions are cheaper and faster. But scams also run wild on those networks, so always double-check the contract address on official channels before buying. Never rely on random links on social media. Scammers love to post fake tokens with similar names to trick people into buying the wrong one. Security should be your #1 priority. Use a fresh wallet for new projects instead of your main one, and never connect your wallet to shady websites. Always revoke permissions after you sell a token using tools like Revoke Cash. These little steps can save you from losing everything to a phishing or approval scam. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. Most meme coins will go to zero. That's just the nature of the game. The goal isn't to find the next Dogecoin, it's to catch small but consistent wins over time. A 3x or 5x gain might not sound life-changing, but repeat that a few times with discipline and it adds up fast. Think of meme coins as short-term opportunities, not long-term holds. The faster you accept that, the better your results will be. And don't underestimate the power of community observation. If you notice that the core community is strong, active moderators, fast responses, clear communication, that's a good sign. But if they start banning people for asking questions, deleting negative comments, or avoiding transparency about tokenomics, that's usually the beginning of the end. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Now, if you're wondering how some people make insane returns, like turning $100 into $10,000, yes, it happens, but usually only because they've played this game hundreds of times. They accept that 8 out of 10 coins will fail, but the 2 that succeed pay for everything else. So, manage your risk accordingly. Only invest money you can afford to lose and spread your bets across multiple projects instead of going all in on one. Diversification is your secret weapon in the meme coin world. Another pro tip is to track wallets of known successful traders using tools like DeBank or Zapper. You can literally see what coins early buyers are aping into, giving you a chance to spot trends before they explode. It's not foolproof, but it gives you an informational edge. Finally, always remember that meme coins move fast. Hype comes and goes in days, sometimes even hours. So stay connected, stay informed, and don't let greed or fear make your decisions. You're here to profit, not to gamble blindly. If you treat meme coins like a strategic game, not a lottery, you can make real money while everyone else chases dreams. So to wrap up, the keys to profiting from meme coins without getting scammed are simple but powerful. Do your research, manage your emotions, protect your wallet, and take profits early. Don't get hypnotized by viral tweets or crazy promises. Focus on facts, data, and timing. And most importantly, remember that surviving in crypto is already a win, because every scam you avoid is money you've saved. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart crypto tips, and drop a comment below sharing your biggest meme coin experience. The wins, the losses, and what you've learned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.